As a person, I founded the LNA Memorial Academy where we are today. And my primary objective for funding this school is to provide the best education for the poor, so that the children of the poor can have the same advantage as the children of the rich people in Ghana. LNA is the second school in the country to benefit from the Yamoransa model of sustainable education development. So we built a 35-seater computer center here. So far we have built 8 of these computer centers in the country.
As far as I understand, there are 2 modules or components being added. One that's easier to explain is the solar panel. However, when the Yale Alumni Service Corps originally came to Yamoransa, they envisioned the ICT Center as having a number of other functions, and one included a home economics lab or set of rooms that the schools could use along with the ICT Center.
Implementers is the project manager for the Yamoransa model, and the work we're doing at LNA is part of the Yamoransa model. So we oversee the execution of the project. The technology is only a part. There's training, there's already people engagement. So Implementers is involved and manages the overall outcomes of the project.